Good afternoon, students. I am Ankita, teacher. Let us begin with today's topic, getting to know the place we live in. Module 1, How Village Settlements Were Formed. Refer page numbers 33 and 36 in your textbook. In very old times, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. Nomadic means to move from place to place without a fixed plan. Man was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruit, roots, and bulbs for food. Later, man learned to grow crops. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settled there. They began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by, thus settlements were formed. The word settlement means a place where people lived in a group or community. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together to form villages. People felt safer living in such settlements. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. One person could not do all of them. So, work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements. Some did repairing work. Some did the work of weaving clothes. Some were interested in making jewelry. Some made clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations. As man progressed, he used modern ways of farming. That is, he started using tractors, fertilizers, etc. In villages, weekly markets were set up for their daily needs. These markets sold all essential items such as food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. Goods from villages were sold in bigger cities and towns. Different means of transport like the bullock carts and trucks were used to send the agricultural products to the market. The market was also the place where people could meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. In this way, village settlements were formed. After watching the video, take your EVS notebook and write classwork. On a new page, write classwork above the margin line. Then, write today's date and name of the lesson on the first line. Complete the heading by drawing two lines as shown on the screen. Then, write the questions and answers as shown. Question number 1. How are villages formed? Answer. Many settlements merged together to form a village. Question number 2. How was the work divided among people in the village? Answer. Some people made wooden implements, some did repairing work, some weaved clothes, some made jewelry, and some made clay pots. In this way, work was divided among the people in the village. Question number 3. Name the things available in the weekly market. Answer. The things available in the weekly market are food grains, vegetables, farming implements, and clothes. For homework, you will read textbook page numbers 33, 36 and box the new words as shown. Thank you.